A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this morning, let us take a look at what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Neville Mutsvangwa has been granted bail, 1,000 United States dollars bail. And this is what is happening at this point in time. Let us get to this story so as to understand what is really happening. Remember, Neville Mutsvangwa was arrested a few weeks ago, and he was charged with various charges, which include possession of a Starlink kit, as well as money changing and money laundering. These are the charges which were pressed against Neville Mutsvangwa and others. And he applied for bail at the magistrate, and he was denied bail at the magistrate's court. He went to High Court and applied for bail, and the High Court judge shelved the matter and later on recused herself. And this matter was placed to before another judge. And after a hearing, the judgment was postponed to today. And today they have given him bail. This is the story which we have for you today. Says High Court Judge Justice Rogers Manyangadze has granted Neville Mutsvangwa and his co-accused each United States $1,000 bail. A judge dropped the case after she was summoned to State House to explain delays in the contentious case. This is what is happening at this point in time. And remember that it's highly political, and it has been causing a lot of emotions. So this is what is happening. This is the relief for the Mutsvangwa family. He has been granted bail. So yesterday we talked about how Christopher Mutsvangwa was robbed in by ED to facilitate the issue of war veterans. He was robbed in to make sure that he corrects the issue surrounding war veterans. And it said that he agreed to that deal in exchange for the release of his son. And we have seen it happening today, which means what is happening in Zimbabwe is so messy. So right now, remember that the War Veterans Conference or elective conference, which was supposed to happen, it was indefinitely postponed. And they are now going to start from the lower structures going up. And Christopher Mutsvangwa is now going to oversee that process so as to help E.D. Mnangagwa beef up his team for his succession plans. This is what is happening at this point in time. Christopher Mutsvangwa's son, Neville Mutsvangwa, has been granted bail after a very long time of trading blows. So Christopher Mutsvangwa was not happy about the incarceration of his own son, and he was blaming VP Chiwenga for actually caging him. Because when Neville was arrested, VP Chiwenga was the then acting president for the Republic of Zimbabwe. And now that he has been granted bail, there is happiness everywhere. And let us take a look on what is happening at this point in time. There are so many interesting stories, Team Zimbabwe, which you need to take a look. So you have to tune in and be with us. Make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you have turned on the notification bells, because we are going to continue to give you these live updates each and every day. So this is what is happening. At this point in time, they've been granted bail. The bail must be given also to the 65 money changers who were arrested last month. There is a great possibility that these money changers might apply for bail, but the problem will be if they are given $1,000 bail each, where are they going to get it? Remember, one of these guys was arrested for $10, which he paid for somebody. Remember that some of these guys are not real money changers. These are people who were just caught in the crossfire just because they wanted United States dollars, or they were caught in the wrong position or wrong places. So this is the problem which we have in Zimbabwe. We'll see if they will apply to the High Court, and if the High Court is going to grant them a reasonable bail payment. So this is what is going to no money. Obed says, what about the rest of the money changers? Comrade Churchill says, we knew this kit long before it came to play. hati mai wake wakanopfugama kuna president. Okay, these are the contributions, right? We told you before that you'll be released. Why not Zig? No sign of Zig. Vakatanga kusungwa vaitawo say, and the payable at Zig rate or strictly US. You can catch and release. Now that happens to the rest of the money changers. Now what happens to the rest of money changers, forex dealers who are behind the bars for the same offense? Will ED summon magistrates again? Okay, this is what is happening at this point. This is a very important question. Remember, simply because somebody was well connected, the judge was summoned to the State House. What about the poor? This is the reason why we always fight for the poor. This is the reason we always fight for the marginalized. But this is the update for you. So there is another story of Kembo Mohadi. Kembo Mohadi is not well. There is something, there is an emergency regarding Kembo Mohadi. So stay tuned, come back on African Beyond so that we can talk about Kembo Mohadi. There is something which happened to Kembo Mohadi which we need to talk about right about now.